What's up YouTube and welcome back to my channel. My name is Amina and today you may notice once again that my hair is looking a little bit different and you're probably like, girl, what is this? I didn't know you did middle parts. I do not do middle parts, but today we are doing a really interesting split product test featuring SheaMoisture's new Manuka honey and yogurt line. And I am about to show you why this line is perfect if you have color treated hair, damaged hair, and what exactly their effects are, because sometimes we only get to see the whole product rather than a side-by-side comparison. So I am about to do something that's going to show you how well this actually works and what I think about it. So without further ado, let's get started. So I have just finished washing my entire head with the shampoo and conditioner from this line, and as you have seen, I have deep conditioned only the right side of my hair with the Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment. Now, as you can already see, I can definitely tell that there's a lot more definition on this side than the other. I still feel like the shampoo and conditioner did a really great job at moisturizing my hair, and I do see a little bit of definition, but I am definitely feeling it and seeing it a lot more, just being a lot more hydrated, and the definition is just looking really good. My ends don't feel as dry as they usually do, and especially with having color treated hair, packing in that protein is super important to seeing nice juicy curls. So I think that the deep conditioner did an amazing job. Since we're doing a split test, I am next going to be using the Hydrate and Repair Split End Balm. The Split End Balm is supposed to seal and dry extremely brittle hair. I think that this is really important, especially in drier months. We're still in the winter time, and even here in Los Angeles, the air is just really dry. So having something like this to seal in the moisture is super important. So we are going to see how this turns out. It is very compact. It just looks like kind of a jar of Vaseline here. The consistency applies really nicely. Ooh, it's so smooth. And I'm just putting it on as I would sort of a lighter lotion, just rubbing it together to kind of warm it up so it's easier to move around the ends of my hair, and really focusing on those color treated pieces because those are the ones that need the most love and the most moisture. It says, this is the gold standard. Instantly seal and reduce the appearance of split ends and reduce breakage from heat styling up to 89% for a fresh cut look. A humidity blocking balm that holds rebellious ends together for a frizz-free, silky smooth finish. All right, well that sounds amazing. So I think that this is gonna do a really good job at just keeping the ends nice and moisturized. And if I'm ever trying to do a stretched out style like a rod set or just kind of blow out my hair feels so smooth. Look at that. Juicy. So now we are going to take the other side that has only been washed and conditioned to see what the real difference is. So what I'm gonna do next is let both of these sides dry to completion, and then I'm going to come back and we are going to see how much of a difference the Hydrate and Repair products have made. See you soon. And And we're back. So, although the middle part is not my usual style, I think that this split test did a great job at showing the power of the sealing balm, the deep conditioner, all combined. I really think that Hydrate and Repair is the perfect name for this, because after taking a look a little bit closer at the final results after letting both sides dry evenly, I am just noticing a lot more definition on this side, of course, compared to this. As you can see, I think the ends are just a lot more hydrated than they ever are, and I think that the sealing power of this is awesome. I am going to style this later, but I really think that the best routine for this would definitely be the shampoo, conditioner, and deep conditioner. I thought they worked really nicely together. Then of course adding the leave-in conditioner and sealing balm before going into your full styling. I definitely wanted to shout out the Hydrate and Repair multi-action leave-in conditioner. I ended up styling my hair with this, as you can see here, and thought just all around this line did such an amazing job, and I highly recommend it. So I hope you found this review helpful. I am definitely excited to continue to incorporate these products into my routine. My hair smells like heaven, and I just hope that the smell lasts throughout the week, because oh my gosh, it just smells so good. If you have not tried this product before, definitely make sure to get all the information in my description box below. This is now available at Ulta. I am really excited for you guys to try out this line. I think you're going to love it, and I just think that it's a perfect addition to all the other amazing collections that are out there with SheaMoisture, but I think that this is perfect if your hair is color treated or heat damaged. Just getting really deep into there and having the ability to repair your hair and also just give it that nice shine, because it has the honey, it has the yogurt extract, it has coconut oil, it has all of the amazing proteins that you need for your hair if your hair is deficient of protein. And even if you are protein sensitive like I was before I color treated my hair, I really think that doing something like this even once a month is whenever you feel like your hair is really starting to get dry, definitely incorporate this. But I think that this is something that's going to be a part of my routine every other week, just because I think that it does a really great job at just re-moisturizing my hair, and I really haven't experienced it feeling quite like this right before even styling it and seeing this much definition. So I am really excited and want to thank SheaMoisture for giving me the opportunity to test out these products. I love them. I really think that you will too. If you do have a chance to try them, definitely let me know in the comments what you think and how it worked for you. And if you want to see more videos like this, more reviews, give this video a thumbs up, comment below, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Thanks for watching.